Hi, my name is Mohd Rizal Hassan. I'm a professional learning facilitator. I run the professional learning facilitator program, and in this program we have 2,000 professional learning facilitators who learn from me how to present. Here are tips to make your program interesting. Tip number one: knowledge, which is outside, won't go into your head. It has to go through all your senses. So tip number one, activate all the senses as you present the knowledge. What senses? The visuals, the auditory, the kinesthetic, the videos, the sound, the music, the activities. And it must be jived in such a way, structured in such a way, planned in such a way that knowledge, it may be as boring as history of accounting, but because of that knowledge and you present it in all the senses switched on, then that program becomes interesting. So that's tip number one in how to make your programs interesting. Tips number two is to engage your audience. If it's just coming from you, it will be boring. So engage the audience, ask questions, interact with the audience. Ask questions to the audience as if you don't know the answers, but you already plan out everything. So when that happens, it becomes interesting for the audience because they're interacting with you. Tips number three is whatever you present must have learning which is reflected back to the audience and their lives. You may have the most wonderful program in the world, but if the audience takes it and don't feel for it, then it will never become interesting. So, in the third tip, make your audience feel for the program, and the only way you can make them feel for it is you must relate it back to their lives. 3 tips.